The moving average 3-color indicator for mt4, MetaTrader 4, is a directional trend indicator that consists of a triple-colored moving average. The indicator can be used as a standalone trading tool for both trade entry and exit, or as an additional trend filter that works together with an existing strategy of system of your preference. It's a beginner-friendly indicator. Buy and sell signal. Open a buy trade when the mt4 color indicator starts drawing the green line. Open a sell trade when the mt4 color indicator starts drawing the red line. Stick with the open trade when the indicator starts drawing the yellow line. The indicator works equally well on all currency pairs, majors, minors and exotic, and shows promising results if used correctly. Colored MA indicator for mt4 is one of the simplest yet powerful indicators in the market. As the name suggests, it is the modified version of the famous moving average. Traders can use this indicator in so many different ways. On lower and higher time frames, it identifies the major trend and provides us entry and exit signals. On a higher time frame, if you use a higher number of periods, it acts as dynamic support/resistance to price action. By default, this indicator draws the moving average with a specific period by marking different color movements. In an uptrend, it turns green, and in a downtrend, it turns red. By default, colored MA indicator for mt4 uses the 12-day period moving average on the price chart. This indicator turns green when the prices keep closing above the indicator. This indicates a bullish trend. Conversely, it turns red when prices start to close below the MA, and that indicates a bearish trend in the market. It is a profitable indicator, but we recommend you to focus on the price action as well and trade the market with the trend. Colored MA indicator for mt4 can be used by all types of traders, but novice traders admired it more because of its easy-to-use nature. Besides, it works very well on all the trading timeframes, and it generates wonderful signals on all the currency pairs. Parameters below are the default settings of the indicator. You can modify them according to your trading preference. Period, 12 flat, 1 color up, green color down, red color flat, silver width. 2. Trading strategies using the colored MA indicator for mt4. Colored MA indicator for mt4 works just like a moving average, but it changes its color according to market circumstances. Any strategy we make using this indicator must be applied in trending markets only. Only then the strategy will be effective. Once the price moves into a consolidation phase, this indicator becomes inefficient. Intraday trading by using the double-colored MA indicator for mt4. This is a very basic yet effective strategy to trade the lower timeframes. In this strategy, we have paired the 5-period colored average with 10-period colored average to identify the trading signals. The strategy is this: when the 5-period MA goes below the price action and crosses the 10-period MA, it is an indication of a buy signal. Likewise, when the 5-period MA goes above the price action and crosses the 10-period MA, it is a sell signal for us. Remember, this strategy works well only on 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15-minute timeframes. Smaller the average you use, the more it sticks to the price action. So using these smaller averages on 60-minute or 240 minutes charts is useless. In lower timeframes, the market never stays in one trend for a long time. So it doesn't matter if you take a buy trade in a selling trend or sell trade in a buying trend. All you need to do is to follow the rules of the strategy very well. In the below image, whenever a lower period average goes below the price action, it gives us many trades in the 5-minute Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar forex chart. If you want to make these signals more accurate, take the trade only when the higher time frame supports the trend of your lower time frame. Another advantage of lower averages is that they minimize the lag between the price and the trading signal. RSI indicator plus colored MA indicator for mt4. RSI indicator stands for the Relative Strength Index. It is a popular indicator that works well in all the market conditions. This oscillator moves between the 70 and 30 levels. While generating trading signals, this indicator also identifies the overbought and oversold conditions. In this strategy, we are using the 32 and 19 MAs to identify the signals, and